Hey guys, hope you are doing well, and today we will see how to use ChatGPT for free, totally free. So first we have to do is open Microsoft Edge here. Okay, and you have to use Bing. Yes, Microsoft Edge and Bing for this purpose. So you have to sign up here like we do in Google Chrome. I know you also don't use Microsoft Edge, but from now you will be using it. Okay, you have to open this chat icon on the right corner, and you can see here chat prompt opened. And if you are new here, then you have to sign up first, and then you can see this window. And let's see, we search price of BTC today. Okay, in ChatGPT 3 you can see the information was before September 2021. So this is the latest, so you can use this and enjoy and get advantage of it. And here you can see the price of BTC here, and let's see BTC price in dollars. Okay, you can see the price here and here are same. So hope you enjoy this video. Like it, share it, and subscribe please. Thank you very much. See you in next video.